SUMAN and SUMAN-Next projects have been about sustainable manufacturing. We explore the properties of parts produced by additive manufacturing so they can be as safe as possible and last as long as possible. Hopefully, additive manufacturing can also save material and reduce fuel consumption as well as emissions in airplanes and other products. In my research, I have involved students from several engineering programs in projects measuring energy and greenhouse gas emissions in the life cycle of superalloy parts. These are produced by 3D printing in our labs and with collaborators in research institutes.
The main goal of our bachelor thesis was to assess the sustainability of metal additive manufacturing. We identified several benefits in all three sustainability dimensions: environmental, as well as social and economic, and used a new method for this for the first time.
Material savings, freedom in design, on-demand production, and possibilities for repair and maintenance can all play a significant role in novel business models for extended product life and a more circular economy. It was a very interesting and successful project, and we have received lots of positive feedback, which is nice.
The results have been presented at international conferences and are used in professional development courses as well as in undergraduate teaching.